Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Coverhound for term life and umbrella quotes, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Coverhound website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar or menu option for insurance quotes. Select the type of insurance you're interested in, which in this case is term life and umbrella insurance. Click on the option to start the quote process. You will be prompted to enter some personal information. Provide your full name, date of birth, and contact details. Next, specify your state of residence to ensure accurate quotes. For term life insurance, you'll need to indicate the coverage amount you're seeking. Provide additional details such as your health history and lifestyle choices. For umbrella insurance, specify your current coverage amounts for home and auto insurance. Complete any additional questions related to your risk factors. Once you have filled in all required fields, review your information for accuracy. After confirming all details are correct, proceed to submit your quote request. Wait for a moment while the system processes your information. Shortly after, you will receive a list of quotes for both term life and umbrella policies. Review the quotes carefully, noting the coverage options and premiums. Select the policies that best fit your needs. If you wish to proceed with any quote, follow the prompts to start the application process. Fill out any necessary additional information needed for the application. Once completed, submit your application and await further instruction from your selected insurance provider. Congratulations, you have now successfully registered with Coverhound for term life and umbrella quotes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.